Animals, Episode 35, Camel. Hi. Who are you?
I'm a camel. We are mammals with humps on our backs.
Where do you live?
Camels live mostly in Asia. We live in the Rocky Desert.
Do you live alone?
Oh, no. We live in big groups.
Is it hard to live in the desert?
Yes, it gets very hot and very cold. The wind blows sand and ice at us.
That wind sounds awful.
We can close our nose holes. Then sand and ice can't blow into them. And our long eyelashes protect our eyes.
What do you eat?
Camels eat most desert plants. We even eat thorns.
Why do you have those humps?
Food and water are hard to find here. Our humps store fat. That helps us go without food or water. I see some other camels.
Goodbye, Camel.
Little Fox.